Hello there, and this is a little drawing video or drawing tutorial on how to draw the Boto, the river dolphin. And this is mostly like the Amazon river dolphin because I looking up this animal. I also found out there's other river dolphins in Asia as well. I'm probably gonna draw the most known one, at least the Amazon one. Yeah. So it's a very cool animal, honestly. Especially with their sonar abilities and stuff. They're technically blind, but they use their sonar to communicate and tell the areas apart and stuff. Pretty cool, right? So let's start. Ah, jeez. I'm drawing too hard. This long beak. It's this. And it's like this. Try and be as careful. And yeah, I'm probably gonna try the back first. Because don't have like dorsal fins like dolphins do. Like, I guess because they don't eat them. I mean, I guess they did. I guess they did used to. They did used to have dorsal fins, but not anymore. I mean, I guess it's larger. Let me see. There's some corrections. Like this. This. Yeah, the garbage trucks in the background. um. Uh. No, let's draw dorsal fins first. Yeah, the eyes are tiny. It's pretty small that way. So that's been the Boto. Yeah, I've drawn it very quickly because they have a distinct shape. I usually like drawing animals with like distinct shapes like this one because they're easier to draw and memorize and stuff. But I could do some more corrections a bit on the tail, on the back here. Hmm. Yeah, that's been the Boto. I guess I can color it a little. Let me see. Got some color pencils here. I don't think I have the right ones though. Let's see. See, I have a pink one. Yeah, maybe I should have done this before I started recording, but I wasn't thinking about actually coloring it. I guess I changed my mind in the middle of it stuff. Yeah, I don't have any pink color pencils because those are usually like a grayish pink. Yeah, I don't have that. Yeah, I don't have that. So I guess I could shade it in a little. Yeah, I'm shading it in. Resize that way. I'm not gonna color their bellies because the bellies are usually the one that's usually pink for the photos. And their fins are usually a little gray too. It's kind of a grayish pink color, like they usually are. But there's ones even bright pink, which is surprising. So yeah, I fairly quick drawing. Yeah, very simple drawing too. I think it's really weird animal too. Really weird dolphin like this one. The Boto, the Amazon River dolphin. Yeah. These drawing these animals with the shapes with them with distinct shapes, let's say like an armadillo or something, like armadillos are usually like roundish. Those are animals are usually easy to draw because they're like specific shapes and stuff, and this one was simple to draw too. Yeah, especially if it's like a side view of a animal in general. It's usually how I draw like life drawings in general. So that's been my how to draw video on the Buto. Quick drawing video for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.